All right, just a quick video to demonstrate changing an ignition coil on a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. It's very simple. Just pop your top cover off. Take a screwdriver, pry these little tabs up. The one I need to change is broke, so it might be a little harder. Well, not too bad. Then take a 10mm wrench. Get your bolt loosened up a little. And there's the coil. Easy enough. Now let's get our replacement. Slide this one back in. And your bolt back just a little. Plug your wire back up. Now mine clip is broke, so we'll just hope that stays on good. Get our engine cover back on. And that should do it. It's that simple.